India's mobility and logistics landscape is experiencing a tectonic shift, merging established infrastructure with bold, futuristic transport solutions. The nation is tackling urban congestion, logistical inefficiencies, and environmental sustainability through a diverse, technology-driven strategy. Futuristic transit, from Hyperloop to electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft eVTOL. The Hyperloop project is gaining momentum. IIT Madras, in collaboration with Indian Railways and which includes deep tech partner Tutiar Hyperloop, unveiled the country's first 422-meter Hyperloop test track in December 2024, capable of propelling pods at speeds up to 1,100 km per hour. Indian Railways is now preparing a 40 to 50 km test corridor to advance this fifth mode of transport toward commercial deployment. This may radically reduce city-to-city travel times, for instance, covering Delhi, Jaipur or Bangalore, Chennai distances in under 30 minutes. Simultaneously, urban air mobility is advancing through public-private partnerships. Eve Air Mobility, with Hunch Mobility, is laying the groundwork for eVTOL air taxis in Bangalore by 2026, offering swift, zero-emission intracity travel. Additionally, collaborations like SkyDrive with the Gujarat government are exploring eVTOL ecosystems by 2027, setting the stage for aerial urban transit. Green Rail, hydrogen-powered trains on the horizon. In a major leap for sustainable rail, India has successfully tested its first hydrogen-powered train coach, a 1,200 HP driving power car, at Integral Coach Factory, Chennai. The project is moving into its final commissioning phase, with retrofitting of diesel-electric multiple units underway under the Hydrogen for Heritage initiative. Each hydrogen train is estimated at 80 crore rupees, with supporting infrastructure requiring an additional 70 crore rupees per route. Fulfilling India's 2030 net zero ambition, these trains will operate on heritage and hilly routes, offering zero-emission travel at up to 110 km per hour and accommodating around 2,600 passengers per train. Drone logistics and traditional upgrades. India's drone delivery ecosystem is expanding rapidly, bolstered by frameworks such as the Drone Rules 2021, which fosters smoother regulations. Startups are deploying drones for critical last-mile delivery in e-commerce and healthcare sectors, especially in remote regions, delivering both speed and efficiency. Bullet Train Corridor. India's groundbreaking Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train corridor, based on Japan's Shinkansen technology, is advancing at pace. As of mid-2025, 300 kilometers of viaducts have been completed using the accelerated full-span launching method, complemented by extensive pier, foundation, and girder construction. Meanwhile, the first 2.7 km segment of an undersea tunnel, part of the corridor's 21 km subterranean stretch, has broken through between Ghansoli and Shilpata in Maharashtra. The overall timeline remains optimistic, with full operational status expected by 2028. Simultaneously, national initiatives are reinforcing different transportation arteries. The high-impact dedicated freight corridors, DFCs, are nearing full deployment. The Western Corridor is projected to be completed by December 2025, enhancing freight capacity significantly. According to Dedicated Freight Corridor Corporation of India Limited, freight train operations have surged, handling around 392 trains per day, with a 19 to 25% increase in freight volume on the eastern and western DFCs. Additionally, the Road Transport Ministry is pushing the envelope. Plans are underway to upgrade 25,000 to 30,000 km of two-lane highways into four-lane corridors, backed by a staggering allocation of 10 lakh rupees crore. India's forward-looking approach unites cutting-edge transport, Hyperloop, hydrogen rail, eVTOL, and drones, with the robust modernization of traditional infrastructure. By orchestrating these complementary systems, India is not only advancing national mobility but also positioning itself as a global leader in clean, agile, and future-ready transportation.